Oh, you got a little snow on you? There you go. Naomi, what are you doing? You're cleaning the sidewalk? You're a really good helper. There's Daddy shoveling. And here's Naomi shoveling. Naomi, thanks for helping. Whoa, that's a big one. Good job.
Good. Right there.
Is it fast to use your hand like that? She wasn't interested in sledding today, but she's very excited to help shovel. We appreciate the help. Well, Marcus. I'm not saying either. Good job, Naomi. What's next? Mark, watch behind you.
Hey, penguin shoveler.
She's using a penguin windshield scraper. Perfect.
There's plenty of shoveling to do.
You gonna go up?
Yes.
Yeah? No more shoveling? You gonna say bye-bye to the video and then we can watch the movie?
Oh, Mommy.
Up, Mommy. Up, up, up. Use your words, please.
Please.
Up, please.
Please.